bridge where we are so far. It just seems to go on and on. And back down, if you look back that way, we'll have bridges going over those logs to the rock you can see in the middle of your screen. And you can see we have another one coming across there. Go out across that log, and you can see the hillside in the background in the bush. There's a trail we've cut into there. That's all part of our new trail. This is what two silly buggers in the bush will do on a weekend. And it just keeps kind of going and going and still going, still going. And that's as far as we got today. So, more to come.